It's not a regular name for you.
What about with
Rolex was not a regular name. I admit that. That seems weird. But, you know, maybe not. Ernesto purchased 100 postage stamps. Okay, one type of stamp plus the other type of stamp is going to equal what?
Rolex? Number of stamps.
Which is? 100. Thank you. Worth $9.90. Do you see that this is the same problem again? Again. Half of them, okay, that means 50, were 1-cent stamps. Okay. Okay. And the rest, that means the other 50, were 14-cent stamps and 22-cent stamps. How many 22-cent stamps did he buy? Hint, and this is a great hint. Please get used to this. In your equation, use 990 cents rather than $9.90 with the decimals. But I'm going to ask you something. Do I really want to use $9.90? Is that what I want to use? They gave me some information that changed it. What information changed this problem? The 50 1-cent stamps. How many different types of stamps did they give us? 3. 22, 14, and 50-cent stamps, right? Well, we don't need to work with the 50-cent stamps. We know how many we have. What did I say? I'm sorry, did I say 50? I meant 1-cent stamps, 14-cent stamps, and 22-cent stamps. But I don't need to work with this one. I know how many I've got. I've got 50 of them. Ernesto purchased 100 postage stamps worth $9.90. Half of them, also known as 50, were 1-cent stamps. So that leaves us how many left? 50. Right?
Two different other stamps.
Okay, and what are the two different other stamps?
14 cents.
14-cent stamps and 22-cent stamps.
Equals
How many of them do I have together?
50.
I have 50 of them together. Easy. Do you see where this is going? Wonder what the next equation is going to be. Can someone help me with that? Clay.
Okay, so F.
Not F.
T equals F.
Oh, you want to go ahead and change this one? Not yet. Let's write the other equation, then we'll go back and change it.
Okay. 50.
I don't need 50. I'm already done with that.
Oh, okay. 14.
14 what?
14 times F
14F
plus
plus
22T
22T
equals 50.
equals 50 cents.
Yeah, no.
How much money?
Because he can't put cents in the
940.
problem.
940 cents. Perfect, Dylan. We took 50 cents away from 990 because that's the 51-cent stamp.
Wouldn't you have to add the other 50, like the ones?
They're 50 stamps. 14 times the number of 14-cent stamps is how much we spend on 14-cent stamps. Plus 22 times 22-cent stamps is how much we spend on 22-cent stamps.
What about
We're
the
not-
1 cent stamp?
I don't even need to worry about it. I know how many I've got. I know how much they cost.
Wouldn't you do plus 50?
I'm not going to do, well, okay, all right, if you'd like. Plus 50 is equal to what? I see where you're going, Clay.
990.
I see where you're going. I was going to subtract those from both already.
I
But
don't like it.
okay, and I'm with you. I see that. Okay, all right. We'll go this way
What about the
then.
sassy corner?
What do I now? Oh, well, I knew that. What do I do now, Bella?
I was you subtract the t.
You want me to subtract t from both sides? And what's that give
and
us?
then you have f equals 50 minus t.
50 minus t. And what do I do with that?
And then you plug it into the other equation.
Put it in for f there.
So 14
Yes, ma'am.
times the
50
50 minus t
minus t,
plus
22t,
22t.
plus 50 is equal to 990.
Yes.
Okay. Clay, I like that too. I think I'm agreeing with the sassy corner.
Wait,
think I am.
why don't we put the 50 right?
Because this is how much we spent on 1-cent stamps.
But why can't we just leave it out and put 940?
We could.
Oh,
We
no.
could. Okay, done. All right. Let's pick it up in the next video.